Coffee makers are nifty gadgets are all about getting you that perfect cup of coffee quickly and with minimal fuss. There are many products available to choose pod coffee makers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best pod coffee makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Keurig K Mini Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Mini Coffee Maker, under 5 inches wide, is ideal for limited spaces. It brews cup sizes between 6-12 Oz using K-cup pods. Designed with a single cup water reservoir, it delivers fresh coffee quickly with each brew. The machine includes convenient cord storage and a removable drip tray for travel mugs up to 7 inches tall. It's energy efficient with an auto-off feature and offers a tidy, compact solution for any small kitchen, dorm, or office space. Number 2. Keurig K Elite Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker is the perfect addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. This single-serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Brewer offers a variety of cup sizes and brew strengths, including iced coffee capability. With a sleek brushed slate design and programmable features like temperature control, this coffee maker is both stylish and functional. Its large water reservoir and easy-to-use interface make it a breeze to enjoy a delicious cup of coffee anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Instant Pot Solo Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Instant Pot Solo Single Serve Coffee Maker, from the makers of Instant Pot, is a versatile and convenient addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. This K-Cup Pod-compatible coffee brewer allows you to brew 8 to 12 Oz of coffee with the option for a bold setting. The 40 Oz water reservoir ensures you can make multiple cups before needing to refill. Plus, the included reusable coffee pod is an eco-friendly alternative to disposable pods. With its sleek navy design and easy-to-use features, this coffee maker is perfect for busy mornings or relaxing afternoons. Number 4. Instant Pot Pod 3-in-1 Espresso K-Cup Pod and Ground Coffee Maker. The Instant Pot Pod is a versatile 3-in-1 coffee maker that can brew espresso, K-cup pods, and ground coffee with ease. Its reusable coffee pod allows for the use of your favorite ground coffee, and with brew sizes ranging from 2 to 12 Oz, you can customize your coffee to your liking. The 68 Oz reservoir makes it perfect for families or offices, and the dual temperature control ensures that your coffee is always at the perfect temperature. Plus, its sleek design will look great on any countertop. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple coffee makers and hello to the convenience of the Instant Pot Pod. Number 5. Procter Silex Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Procter Silex Single Serve Coffee Maker, designed for convenience and versatility, is suitable for both coffee pods and grounds. It features a sizable 40 Oz reservoir capable of brewing 410 Oz cups without needing a refill. This coffee maker boasts a sleek black and stainless steel design, fitting seamlessly into modern kitchens with its compact size. Ideal for busy professionals or those seeking a quick, effortless coffee experience, it's a practical choice for any coffee enthusiast. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.